Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to solve this particular question 29 on link mechanism. This is on page 42 of engineering journey 1 by Pickup and Packer. So we are working on question 29 and we need to read the instruction, the question particularly, and as we have it that in the figure the crank AB rotates clockwise about A and the crank CD rotates anti-clockwise about C. The cranks are joined by the link BDF. Plot to a scale of 1 millimeter to 1 centimeter the loci of points E and F for one revolution of AB. AB and DC are 45 centimeters. BD is 120 centimeter and BE and DF are 30 centimeters. So those are the dimensions that we have to make use of. And then don't forget that there's a scale given that we have to take the scale as 1 millimeter to 1 centimeter. So let's take note of that. Now we'll go back to the question as we have here. Okay, so the radius of this circle and this circle is 45 millimeters. So we are asked to use a scale of 1 millimeter to 1 centimeter. It means the radius of the circle is 45 millimeters. That means AB is 45 millimeters and CD is also 45 millimeters. And also the center distance of the circle is 120 millimeters, as we are given 120 centimeters. So that means we are making use of 120 millimeters. So and then we are told that so BE and also DF is 30 millimeters each. So that's what we are going to make use of. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to draw a horizontal center line. So we need to draw horizontal center line like this. Alright, so we have this. So the next thing that we are going to do, so let me extend it a little bit to this side. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to fix this first point. So we fix this first point, we draw a vertical center line like this. Then we are going to take a measurement of 120 millimeters. 120 millimeters. So here we have 120 millimeters. So then we are going to draw a vertical line at this point. Vertical center line at this point. So looking at what we have here, this is point. So this is point A. So here we have point A here, okay, and this is point C of the circle, or the center of the circle. So the next thing that we are going to do here is that we take a compass and we are to take a measurement of 45 millimeters on our ruler as the radius of the circles. Okay, so putting it at this point A here, so we draw a circle like this. And then so putting at this point C here, so also draw a circle. Alright, so we have the circle. So these circles now, we are going to divide these circles into 12 equal parts. So we divide this into 12 equal parts. So I'm going to pause the video and do that because I know that you know how to do that. So I'll pause the video and divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Then I will come back when I'm done. I'll come back, and now I've divided the circle into 12 equal parts as I said, and I've done the numbering, but there's something I need to explain about the numbering, because according to what we were told that the this circle here, this circle is moving anti-clockwise. Okay, so this circle is moving clockwise, so this one is moving clockwise while this is moving anti-clockwise, as you can see here. So that's why the numbering, so we have point B here according to what we are given here in the drawing. This is point B. Okay, so this is going clockwise, so that's why we have 0 here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and to 11 here. Why this is going anti-clockwise, that means we have what? We have point D at this point, and this point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on here. So that is what we need to be very careful of, that we get the starting point, which is this point B and point D here. So that's why we have 0, 0. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we are connecting that point B and D together with a straight line. So we connect point B and D together like this. Okay, so we draw a line like this. So we make this first line a thick line. Then next thing that we are going to do is that from this point B here, which is the first point 0, so take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So take note of that. And also from point D here, we take a measurement of 30 millimeters. So that is point F. So this is point E here. Okay, for the locus that we are to produce for this, and this is point F. Okay, so this at the first point. So alright, so we are going to obtain the other points as we have here. So what you just need to do, so point 1, so you connect point 1 and 1 together, as we have connected 0 and 0 together. So point 1 to 1, so you connect this together like this. Okay, so draw a line like this, and then so we take the measurement. So 30 millimeters from point 1 here. So 30 millimeters, this is 30 millimeters. And then 30 millimeters from point 1 here. So we take 30 millimeters here. So this are the second point. So we have the second point here. Here we have the second point. So next is that, so from point 2, so we connect 2 and 2 together. So 2 and 2, we connect them together with a straight line. So like this. Then we take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this point to here to obtain the third point. And then from this point too, so we take 30 millimeters. So from here, okay. Alright, so then, so we also connect 3 and 3 together with a straight line. 3 and 3 together with a straight line like this. Alright, so then we take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this point 3. So this is 30 millimeters. So from this point 3 also, we take a measurement of 30 millimeters. Okay, so this is the fourth, these are the fourth points. So we continue like that, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6. I'm going to do that while I pause the video, and then I'll come back and show you how the shape will look with the use of the French curve. Alright, welcome back. All the points have been obtained as you see here. As I said that we are just to join as we did, starting from point 0 here, which is point B, and we draw a straight line from point B, point 0, and through point D here for 0 of this circle. Then we take the measurement of 30 millimeters from this point B to this point E here. And we also took 30 millimeters from this point D to this point F here to obtain the first 2 points on the line. Then we also join point 1 on this circle to point 1 on this circle, and then we take a measurement of 30 millimeters from here to here, and we also take 30 millimeters from here to here. So that is what we have done for all other ones too. So we obtain the point that we are going to join together. So for this part here, so we have the point, they go in this direction. So we are going to join the point together with the use of a French curve. So you see how I'm going to do it right now. So so we join these 2 points together like this. Okay, so then we need to take our time in making use of this French curve. Okay. So we are joining the point together. Alright, so we alright, so then the last point here. Alright, so this is how the shape will look here. So for this, so we come to this right now. So we okay, so we can join this point together like this. And so we can join this together. And then so let's see how we can join this. So we can join this together like this, and here we can join these 2 points together. And these 2 points, we can join them together like this. Then coming to this side, so we can join these 2 points together. Alright, so we're almost done. Okay, so this last 2 points that we have here, so we join this together. So these are the loci as we are asked to construct the loci for point E and point F. So as simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. Thank you and God bless you.